Hello friends, good evening. Today we discuss about how to write a Java program by using Notepad. So generally, before going to write a program, we need to install Java JDK. Already we done a video for how to install Java JDK in previous session. Please, if you don't know how to install Java JDK, please go through that video and how to create Java program. So first I created a Notepad. Inside Notepad, we are taking one class, that is public class A. So inside class A, I am initializing and declaring one variable x is equals to 10. So after that, I am creating one method in my class public void display is my method. This method, inside display method, I am printing message system dot out dot println. So here printing one name, that is Vega Technology. Okay, this is the message we are printing, and close that method and close that class. After that, I am creating one more class, public class test. So this test class having one method. Here I am creating one main method, public static void main. This is main method. Inside main method we have a string array of args. This is my main method. So inside main method we are creating an object of another class. What is another class? A is my another class. Class name object reference OBJREF. Object reference is equals to new class constructor. What is the class we are creating? An object, A class object. So we have an A class constructor. So after creating a object, we can call that class methods. What is the method we have? Object A class object, that is OBJREF. Dot, which method we have in a class? Display we have in a method, we are calling that method. So after that, if you won't print any message in main method, you can write with the help of system.out.println. So here I am writing system.out.println of system.out.println programming area end. So this is. After that I am closing main method. After that I am closing test class also. File save as. In desktop I am saving the file. What is the main method? We have a class name, that class name is test. So I will save as a test.java. So whenever Java programs you are writing, that must and should be extension we have .java extension. So I given a .java, then save. So this will be located in desktop. Yes, here we have a test. So go to command prompt where your test file is available in desktop. So I am go with my computer. This PC, C users Srini. Here we have a desktop in desktop I have a test. Yes, copy this entire address and here cd space that entire path, then enter. So it will move to the desktop. So here how to compile Java program? Java, we have a command for that, Java C space file name dot java. What is the file name? Test dot java. Then click on enter. So it will do some process and we have some error. Class A is public, should be declared in a file name as a A. So in test.java we have two classes, both the classes are public, so that is the reason we are facing a problem. So that is the reason I will convert one class as a default class. Our A class will convert it as a default class, then save. So again go to the command prompt, run the same file. So successfully without any compile time error we got a solution. So our .java file is compiled. Whenever .java file is compiled, it will create one class. But in my test.java file I have two classes. That is the reason how many classes is created? Two classes it will be created. One is A class, another one is B class, sorry, test class. So in A, what is the extension type of file is what? Class file. Here the type of file is what? Class file. What is the test Java file? So this is the source file, these are the class files. So class file used for system. So test file nothing but Java file used for developer. So after that we need to go for run the program. Java space test. What is the main class we have? That we need to enter. Click on enter. So Vega Technology program or program area end. So this is the way we need to compile and run the program. So thank you, have a nice day.